feel lousy and suspect of vitamin deficiency, your doctor will likely to give you a blood test or some other kind of expensive screening. Today's video will discuss 5 vitamin deficiencies that shows up in your face. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. But sometimes the best way to tell if you are lacking in an important nutrient is to look in the mirror. Experts say sign of deficiencies often shows up in your face. Here are 5 common facial symptoms linked to vitamin deficiency. 1. Pale complexion. If you notice that you appear paler than normal, this could indicate a vitamin B12 deficiency. Check your tongue. It should be a little bumpy. If it is totally smooth, this is another sign of B12 deficiency. Lack of this vitamin can cause fatigue and poor memory. Vitamin B12 comes from animal sources only. That's why vegetarians are at risk for deficiency. Good sources are wild-caught fish, grass-fed meats, organic poultry, and pastured eggs. You can also take a supplement. A sensible dosage is 50 mg a day. 2. Bad hair. Dandruff, dry skin, brittle hair, and hair loss are all signs you are low in vitamin B7 or biotin. Taking antibiotics can destroy intestinal bacteria that produce B7. Cauliflower, egg yolks, and mushrooms are good sources of this vitamin, but eggs white can actually interfere with your body's absorptions of B7. If you take a supplement, go for a daily dosage of 50 mg. 3. Puffy eyes. Puffy eyes and bloated legs can be a sign of an iodine deficiency. Other symptoms include weight gain, dry skin, and brittle nails. Your body uses iodine to produce thyroid hormones. Other than table salt, natural sources include salt water fish, sea vegetables such as kelp, dulse, hijiki, and nori. Adults should get 150 mg of iodine daily. Since this compound is extremely important to the development of a baby's brain, pregnant women need 220 mg. Breastfeeding mothers should get 290 mg. 4. Pale lips. Check the inside of your lips, your gum, and the inside of the bottom of your eyelid. If they are pale, you could be suffering from low iron. This is the most common nutritional deficiency in America. Women are most likely to have low levels than men. It causes strange cravings. They may feel like eating dirt, clay, or ice. This is the body's way of trying to ingest iron. Red meat, dried beans, spinach, and fish are some of the best dietary sources. If you are going to take a supplement, the recommended daily dose is 8 mg. 5. Tender or bleeding gums. This indicates a deficiency you never want to ignore. Vitamin C is often acclaimed for boosting immunity, but a deficiency can cause severe health problems. Bleeding gums, brittle hair, and muscle edges are all symptoms. A severe vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. This can cause teeth to fall out. Citrus, berries, kiwi, mango, papaya, pineapple, watermelon, and red peppers are high in vitamin C. If you take a supplement, get a daily dosage of at least 250 mg. Pay close attention to next time you look in the mirror. Your reflections could reveal a dangerous deficiency. It's a problem you can fix, but you may not be able to avoid vitamin deficiency with food alone. A simple solution is to add a daily high-quality multivitamin. Just not the ones you will find at most drugstores. Your best bet is to get a whole food sources vitamins from your local health food store or online. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.